very autumnal today again, and the gate's open because Cherokee's away. It's Honey's turn to be free, right the way through to the field. Now I've got to be honest, I haven't swapped over the gates at the field, although I am hauling food for Ches from here down to the stables. So where's Honey? It has stopped raining. Oh look, she's indoors. Not for you, is it today, sweetheart? You want to go down to your field or not? Half of her says perhaps, the other half says you're joking. Yep. Hasn't been raining all the time I've been out. I actually waited till it stopped. She knew where I'd gone and what I was doing. The gate's open, and that's been opened there. That one was open while I got these in the car. She wandered down to the gate, then came back, and now she's watching me. All right. Do you want to go up your field? You can if you want to. But I've got a feeling I'm on my own with this. Dogs and rain. Well, let's put it this way. This is normal. This is natural. Should I say natural? For a dog to sort of think, rain? Nah, I'll stay in the cosy area. Keep out the way because it's not for me. She doesn't like it. So, we'll just see where she's going to go. She knows I'm loading and unloading. So that gate is open, but she's just going to investigate and stay dry. Lucky I've got my hat on. Yeah, just as I stopped the film, she decided to go in again. So she had a sniff and now has gone back inside. I'll carry on with what I've got to do then, alone. Well, that's me, the job's done, and I'll come back. Thank you. Oh, the boys are playing your song, aren't they? Hey? Look at it. Here comes the sun. That's the only song she likes. You good girl. So, had quite an interesting thing today. The birds are starting to come back. They've been missing all day. It's now 4:30 in the afternoon, and incredibly, the bird feeders have hardly been touched. That's because there was another bird here today. Saw it about 9 o'clock, and these lot all vanished. It was only a sparrowhawk, I mean a beautiful creature, but they've got to eat too. Anyway, seasons are changing, plants are shrinking, we're getting the winter ones, and she's hoping it is time for her meal, but not yet. Yep, that's where she likes to be.